What's up guys, Tech Tubes here. Today we are presenting a new video in front of you about OnePlus One. It is a very good phone and we will check it out. Here is the box with a very good packing. Here is the charger and here is the tempered glass protector for it. Now first we will check phone. Wow. Here is the phone. As you can see, graphite finishing, OnePlus sign, 13 megapixel main camera and front camera is 5 megapixel. Very good display with Gorilla Glass 3. And here is the power button. Here is the volume rock up and rock down button. Here is the SIM card tray. Here is the USB cable port. Here are the speakers, very good speakers. Here is the headphone jack. And here is the reset port. Now we will boot this phone. We will keep it aside and we will check contents given with this phone. Here is the never settle tempered glass protector. Very good tempered glass protector and flexible. It can protect the tempered glass like this. And now I will show you the charger for this phone. It is the charger instruction manual. You can see a good manual, all the settings in it. And here is the small size charger with a USB cable, 1 meter long USB cable. You can join it like this and you can use it. Very good cable. Now we will explore the phone, so let's get started. Here is the phone. Wow, a good brightness. And now I will show you music speakers, voice. Are the speaker clear or not? We will check it out. So we will play a music to check speakers. Wow, good storage, so we can store many musics. You can see. It is an old song, but you can test speakers. Wow, a good voice. Now we will go in settings and check it. Wow. About phone. And Android version is 6.0.1, means Marshmallow, and the original OS is Cyanogen 13.1. This is the Android version, Marshmallow. As you can see, is the Marshmallow game. It's just copy of the Lollipop game. And there is also a game for Cyanogen, so I will show you. Settings. Wow, you can see. It is also same game. Wow, it's good. Two softwares working in it, as you can see. Now I will show you multitasking of this phone. As you can see, this phone will never hang. Now I will go in settings. You can see no laggings, clean, good multitasking. Now I will show you the camera of this phone. A good camera, 13 megapixel. Wow, very good camera. So that's the time to over this video, so please like it and subscribe it.